you think this is starting to wear on me? You've been raining down like hail. I'm weak. I have tried to give you my soul, but you can't love something you own. It's too late to repair what we made. What can I do? Time flashed by and I woke up on the other side of the...
Good day everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm Anna and this is You Got Me in Stitches. Today I'm coming in at you with a cup of tea and 2 dark chocolate cookies and also my SewHayleyJane box, which means we are going to see what is in this month, April 2022, and let's do an unboxing. Yummy. We are always met with the sunshine yellow tissue paper, so let us see what is inside. First up we have the little book that Hayley does, issue 41, and we always start off with an hello from Hayley. I just insert some stills so you can have a sneak peek of what's inside this month's book. Starting off with the first of the 4 fat quarters with 100% cotton fabric, and we have some very happy colours here. Next up, that one. Following on, we have some little mini triangles. Lastly, this is my favourite, all the leaf designs, little gentle floral in the kind of little mid-green colourway there. With Easter soon to arrive, there's 2 little chocolat eggs, and yes, I will be eating these because I do like chocolat. Next up we have something that kind of looks like candy. I fool you not, it is not candy, it is actually candles from the Bewley Candle Company, and they smell absolutely divine. I kind of wondered why this month's box smelled so lovely. It was those candles. Next up we have some pins here, all different sizes, safety pins rather, so that is really good. Sometimes I actually use these more than just regular pins because you know that the security is much better. Whilst filming, noisy crows and the beautiful ducks. We have 2 pencils. One says Eat, Sleep, Sew, Repeat. The other is Born to Sew. Awesome. Always good to have a sharp pencil. And I must admit, I kind of do to have another one. So having 2 in this month's SewHayleyJane box is really great. Righto, we have the Gutterman thread, and the colourway is not far off, is a hint to what the main fabric is in this month's box. Also, this is April's box, as I said, and that means I have been subscribed for 2 years now. Yay! Okay guys, here we are. We have a viscose linen, and it is in a beautiful, I would kind of sort of think it's in between cornflower and duck egg. Really pretty, and it has a lovely drape, and I get the classic box, so I get 2.5 yards. I'm kind of thinking of a jumpsuit. Righto guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing what was in this month's SewHayleyJane box, and yeah, gonna wrap this up pretty quick because my neighbour has gone out walking the dog, and knowing me, the lady will walk past and she will think I'm completely crazy, that I'm possibly talking to myself, even though I am talking to you, talking via the camera. Either way, I'm going to look a little bit shy and embarrassed, to be honest. Okay guys, let me know what you have got in your box, because sometimes the colourway slightly changes, and what ideas do you have to make up this month's box. Okay, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Take care guys, and thank you.